Okay guys, let's see how to check if your computer support Windows 11 installation. So these are the minimum requirements for install the Windows 11. So you have to at least 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores compatible 64-bit processor and at least 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and system firmware support UEFI secure boot capable. TPM should be at least version 2.0. Graphic card should be compatible with DirectX 12 or later with WDDM 2.0 driver, and you have high definition display, and internet connection is required for Windows 11 setup and updates. Okay, let's see how to check each one is supported on your computer one by one. So first we check with processor. To do that, you need to go to search bar, type run, tap on it. In here you need to type msinfo32 like this, hit enter. Okay, under the processor section you can see in my case it is i5 third gen and it has 2 cores and 4 logical processors, but it is third gen, so at least we need to 8 gen processor for the run Windows 11. There are several other methods to install Windows without these capabilities, but in this is official method how to install Windows. So you have to 8 gen processor. Check your processor is 8 gen. The 3230 should be start with number 8, 8111, 820, at whichever, but start with the 8. That means the first number is the version number. In my case it is 3, so that means it is third gen. To check your RAM memory, you have to scroll down a little bit. Then you can see install physical memory, it is RAM 8 GB. This should be at least 4 GB. In my case it is more than enough, so it's successfully. To find the TPM version, you have to again go to search bar and type run. This time you need to type tpm.msc. Tap on OK. So if you see compatible TPM cannot be found, that means your computer does not support TPM 2.0. If you see it is present version 2.0 in here, that means your TPM version is compatible with the Windows 11. Okay, next one is you have to find secure boot and UEFI. To do that, you can do it using restart your computer and enter the BIOS setting and check secure boot is enabled. In the computer you can search by system information, just tap on it. Under the BIOS mode it should be UEFI, you can see it is selected, and secure boot state should be turned on. It is now turned off, you have to turn it on using BIOS setting. Okay, if all the requirements are fulfilled, you have to just simply go to start menu and go to setting. In the left side menu, go to Windows Update. In this window you will be able to find upgrade to Windows 11 kind of message, so you need to simply tap on it. It will upgrade your Windows 10 into Windows 11. So this is how you can check your computers is supported Windows 11. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.